What's up all you guitar players? Welcome to Easy Guitar Practice. Before I break down this exercise, I'm going to review it for those of you who didn't see it on TikTok. For us, this exercise is really about picking accuracy because you're bouncing around the strings, but it is based on the pentatonic scale and it is a pretty decent groove. So we start by sliding from 5 to 6 on the G string and then hitting 5 on the high E string. Then you go 8 on the B string to 7 on the D string. Then you go 5 on the G string to 7 on the A string. Then you finish with 5 on the D string into 8, 5, 5 on the low E string. In all honesty, I would recommend breaking out the metronome for this one. This is a really fun warm-up lick and it works at every tempo. So play it at a tempo that allows you to stay in that pocket perfectly. And then go move on to other fun, exciting guitar things and be done with your warm-up. And we'll see you next time.